So in order for your man overboard emergency transponder to make a DSC call back to your VHF radio, you need to program your vessel's MMSI number into the unit. In order to do that, you're going to depress this button. For about 15 seconds, it's going to run through a series of LEDs. When it gets to the green LED, after about 15 seconds, you're going to release. And now it's in programming mode. And you're going to place this up against the screen after you put your MMSI number into the configuration program. You're going to hit F10. A green status bar is going to show you that it's programming the unit. And you simply take the unit away, make sure it's blinking green. And you're successful.